Your lingerie model now? You want an OnlyFans?
Ew. Bye.
Oh, El Capone is coming home.
Are we ready to go or what, baby?
Let's do it. Oh, the before, bud. Look at this stacked house, man. Got the minis, dirt scoots, Baghdaddy, Dynadoos. This is the killer right here. Oh, I broke it, scraped it. Have some more, Johnny. Yo.
What up?
I'm coming to get Capone.
Oh, shit.
Why are you not delivering it to my house?
I'm still working on it.
So is it gonna be done?
Yeah, it's gonna be done.
You got fast little fingers? Because I'm only like 10 minutes away.
I'm wiping her down right now.
Oh my god. How's he look?
Real good. But my only thing is that once you get it on the bike, I'll put the final polish on it. Because there's obviously gonna get fingerprints and tiny little scratches and shit on it while you're putting it on. So I'll do the final polish once it's all put together.
Okay. Alright, that works.
I can come by tonight or something.
Yeah, you can come by later today?
Possibly.
Oh my
I gotta see how far I get on this other bike.
Damn, alright. Alright, well, we'll see you soon. Capone is coming home.
Damn right.
Alright, we'll see you soon.
Alright, later.
Yo, yo. Walking in to grab the paint set for Capone right now. Alright, bro. You ready for this? Come on now. Come on now. Woo!
Yo.
Hey, buddy.
What's up, dog? Johnny.
Hey man, I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you.
That's good.
That. Wow, they came out really good.
Shine up better once I hit the other shit on it.
Oh, shit.
But no, when I'm done polishing this piece, I can load up. I can go to my house and grab the other pieces. The rest of it's in that box over there, and I'll come over.
Okay. So I'll just put it on the bike. It'll be on by the time you get there.
Yeah, if you could put the tank on, the front fender can go on, and then put the rear fender, but no seat.
Dude, look at how that fucking... Look at how this, Maddie laid this LED strip in for my taillight. Boom. Breaker Boys, fool.
Hell yeah.
This
People
is
hit me up like
amazing.
crazy now too, which is tight.
Yeah, I'm so fucking thankful. You know, have someone like you in the crew. Is that just clear? Anyway, Ryan, Hard Luck Garage. It's also one of my best friends. Fucking killed this paint, man. So, huge shout out to him. Couldn't done it without him. He hooked me up with a wicked good deal. Really appreciate it.
Only the best for the best, homie.
Yeah, you know, I've tried to do my best to return the favor for the videos for everybody. He needs it because he's fucking super talented. So if you need your bike painted in Colorado or wherever and you're down to ship your shit, we'll take care of you.
Yes, sir. Bring it on down.
Yeah, Breaker Boys full. On the black bike, it's gonna look
Is it
stupid.
sunny outside?
Kinda, not really. It still would look different outside. Let's take this one out.
Well, you can open up the door.
It's all my favorite colors. I am so thankful, man.
Icy as hell too.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna fucking. Oh my god. Like when I did bourbon, I didn't even care about them. Like these, I care about.
I know that's what my homie Ben, his dad was over yesterday. He's like, "You gonna go put that bike together? Or you gonna let him do it?" I'm like, "I'm gonna go supervise, maybe."
Yeah. Yeah. See, I didn't even care about bourbon. But there's this different feel for this bike.
Colby hit me up this morning.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. He's like, "Yo, when can you get me in to do the DA?" I can't believe he's gonna have me paint over that tank.
Yeah, he don't like it.
I like the airbrushing on it.
Yeah, I do too. Oh my god, Ryan killed it, dude. It's like four of my favorite color reds. I get maroon, burgundy, blood red.
music.